Welcome everybody to this tutorial for fake plots. My name is Lisa Bortolotti and in the next few minutes I'm going to tell you how to play this new game which has been developed by Anna Ichino for the Philosophy Museum in Milan but can now be played everywhere in the world, and its main purpose, the main purpose of the game, is to make us understand better what the mechanisms are behind conspiracy theories and misinformation that thrive online. The game will last approximately 35 minutes for a session. This will include preparation time and debriefing. You will need the Conspiracy Theories Toolkit and internet access to a dedicated platform called Glitter. You can access Glitter using a smartphone or a tablet. Ideally, you'll have at least 3 to 4 players. You can have a lot more, and a facilitator to help you through the game. The aim of the game is to become the most popular conspiracy theorist on Glitter. Fake plots has 3 stages. Stage 1 is about familiarizing yourself with the kit. Now, if you've got a facilitator who already knows the kit, they can go through the different tools that you'll find in the kit and explain why they're there and how you can use them. But otherwise, you can just, in a group of players, go through the kit, read the instructions, look at the cards, and realize that you've got some really powerful tools to become a good conspiracy theorist. This stage will take about 10 minutes. The kit itself includes some instructions and 18 color-coded cards. As you can see, the gold card is about distrust. Yellow cards are cognitive biases that affect the way in which we gather and process information. Pink cards are psychological needs that affect the way in which we choose an explanation over another. Green cards are the argumentative fallacies we sometimes use when we want to defend our own view. Blue cards are the communication strategies that make our own explanation more successful online. And red cards are some ideas about how to respond to challenges that either people who endorse the mainstream explanation or people who endorse alternative conspiracy theories can make to our own explanation. The kit involves 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to challenge the accepted view of a significant event, so you can make room for your own conspiracy theory. Step 2 is to develop your conspiracy theory by using biases and psychological needs. And of course, step 3 is to spread your conspiracy theory far and wide and to defend it from potential challenges using the argumentative fallacies and the communication strategies that are recommended to you in the kit. Stage 2 of fake plots is about competing with the other players to become the most popular conspiracy theorist on Glitter. First step is to access the platform by creating an account and logging in. And then you'll just be able to see some news item that you can comment on, and that will be your prompts to create your own conspiracy theory. In this particular stage, there will be maximum 5 minutes preparation time, and the competitive phase of the game will last 10 minutes. When you register on Glitter, please use a fictitious name and username, because it is better if the other players cannot identify your avatar and your username with who you are. Once you've got a username and a password, you can log in. And this is what Glitter looks like. You've got a screenshot here. There is a cute caterpillar with the symbol of Glitter. Then you've got a home icon, which you can press to refresh your screen and see the latest contributions. You've got a trophy icon where you see your score and the score of the other players. Of course, you won't be able to identify the players, but you will see their avatars and their usernames. Then there is space for you to post, so you can actually make up your conspiracy theories in response to some of the official news items that will be highlighted in this beige background that you can see in the picture, and it will come from alleged credible sources of information. As part of Glitter, you interact with other players' posts, you like them, comment on them, repost them, and this will give you points, popularity points, but also other players will interact with your own posts, liking them, commenting them, reposting them, and Glitter will be able to update the scores in real time. You don't need to keep track of what is happening. One thing to remember is that, when you are formulating your conspiracy theories, but also when you are attempting to defend them against challenges, it is really useful to remember the tools that are available in your kit. We got to stage 3 of fake plots, and this is the end of the competitive part of the game. If you have a facilitator, they will declare a winner. Otherwise, players can just go and check at the trophy icon who's got the most popularity points. And then after that, there can be a debriefing session where players examine the posts that are on the screen and see which ones were the most popular and check whether these were actually embodying those characteristics that were described in the kit, whether they were responding to psychological needs, whether they were exhibiting some cognitive biases, and whether they were using those communication strategies that were identified in the kit as particularly successful at spreading a particular theory or particular explanation. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you will play fake plots and enjoy it as much as the people I've introduced it to in my classroom, for instance, have enjoyed it. It is something you can play in a group of friends, but it is also something that a teacher can introduce to a classroom to highlight what the mechanisms behind conspiracy theories and misinformation are, and to create a very good environment where we can use our critical skills to evaluate the information that we find online. If you want to know more about fake plots, please visit thephilosophygarden.com, and you can contact us as well, and we'll give you tips about how to use the game in person or online and how to get the most out of it. Thank you very much for listening.